Hello there and welcome to another easy tutorial. Please like and subscribe for more, and if you need a tutorial on something, leave it in the comments. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to remove the word "from" in front of the prices on your Shopify store. As you can see, here on my store, one product has the word "from" in front of the pricing, and the others don't. To fix this, open up Shopify and go to Online Store. Next, click on these three horizontal dots and choose Edit Default Theme Content. After that, go to the Products tab and scroll down to Product Price. Finally, delete the word "from" in front of price under the From Price HTML part. Now click on Save and go back to your shop. The "from" in front of the price is now removed. Thanks for watching, and let me know which easy tutorial you want next.